Hi, how are you guys? I hope you all are good. If not, then go to hell. Oh, I am joking. Don't take it serious. So let's start the video. And in this video, I will share the screen recorder of PC, desktop version, or any laptop for Windows 10, Windows 11, and many others. So let's start. First of all, you will go to the search bar of your browser, Google Chrome or anything else. So you will search Bandicam. This is the screen recorder I am sharing. My internet is off. I am connecting my internet. Oh wait, okay, it's connected. No. Okay guys, I have searched this before, so I am searching again. So this is the screen of Bandicam website, and we just click on the download and then click on the download Bandicam. So guys, the wait is over and I think it is being downloaded. We have to check our download section. Oh sorry, I think it's being downloaded. We are downloading it again. I click on OK. Then finally it is being downloaded, and now open the folder where it is being downloaded. Here is the setup of this screen recorder Bandicam. Its name is Bandicam, and I have already opened this setup, but for this video I have opened this again, and language is English. Okay, then click next. Click on next, then agree to its all condition, then program group and desktop icon. If you don't want desktop icon, then you click on the second option, and if you want, then click right. Then if you install in any other place of your laptop or desktop or computer, anything, you can select, and then we are going to. Our screen recorder has been installed. We have opened it, and the main thing that you don't know but I know, and I will share it. First of all, you have to open Bandicam screen recorder and then click on top right of your application and select here the rectangle on a screen or your screen ratio. And if you want to download, if you want to capture a video of your screen for YouTube, you can select this ratio, and all others you can. And this is the option where you can choose. Okay guys, and this is all for this Bandicam screen recorder, and this is best screen recorder according to me. It has best reviews, and also I am recommending this screen recorder because I have experienced this. So guys, we will meet again in our next video. We will meet again in our next video. My English is little bit weak, but we will manage it. Okay guys, Allah Hafiz.